To make this old-fashioned, you will need 60 ml of Rittenhouse Rye, around 5 to 10 ml of sugar syrup, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 2 dashes of Dr. Adam Elmigrab's Aphrodite bitters, a lemon twist, a big block of ice, a rocks glass, mixing glass, a jigger, a bar spoon, and a julep strainer. Add your Angostura bitters, Aphrodite bitters, sugar syrup, and rye to the mixing glass. Add as much ice as you can fit in there. Stir with your bar spoon until it is appropriately diluted. When the mixing glass starts to feel cold against your fingers, give it a little taste and see if it's diluted enough. Delicious. Strain over good ice and add the lemon twist. The old-fashioned, so now you know.